Let's solve this together. It says 7 raised to the power x is equal to 686. We're required to solve for the values of x in this question. Okay, let's do that quickly now. And the first thing we can do here is to say, let's write out the multiples of 686. Okay, this is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Okay, then this becomes equal to 2 multiplied by 7 3 times, which is 7 raised to the power 3. Now we have that 7 raised to the power x is now equal to 2 multiplied by 7 to the power of 3. Okay, how do you go on from here? From this, as you can see, let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we have logarithm of 7 to the power of x to be equal to logarithm of 2 multiplied by 7 cubed. Alright? Now from here we can say, let's take the logarithm, okay, not in base 10, but in the base of the number carrying x. The number carrying x is 7, so we'll take the logarithm in base 7 of both sides instead. Alright? Now we have logarithm of this, we multiply x by logarithm of 7 base 7 to be equal to, now for this side, what we're going to do is to split this and put plus. So we're going to have logarithm of 7, okay, base 7 rather of 2, plus logarithm in base 7 of 7 cubed, okay? Now from here we have x multiplied by logarithm of 7 to base 7 is equal to logarithm, okay, of 2 to base 7 plus 3 multiplied by logarithm of 7 to base 7. Okay, logarithm of 7 to base 7 is 1. In fact, logarithm of a number to that same base is 1. So we have x now to be equal to logarithm of 2 to base 7 plus, this is also 1, so we have 3. And this is base 7 rather, and this becomes the answer to this question. Thanks for watching.